Presiden Keseng San Perthai ke United Democratic Party UDP ubalong ru menteri ke sorkar jela ubak Metbah lengdo ulaong ba ke sorkar senrop lang jong ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kampat iakren eiei na kebentaban pynieng da Kyrtong Monlang ne common candidate jong ke MDA banyak kun ke election siteng samoy jong ke MP Lok Sabha na Shillong constituency. Hakawai pat kaliang ula pentip baka UDP kalapan kre bansai ki Kyrtong banyak kun ki election MDC Shaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council.
Presiden ke United Democratic Party UDP ubreiru menteri ke sorkar jela ba Metbah lengdo. Ulapan pau bahadu mentah ke sorkar senrop lang MDA kampat dan kanu no kejeng keren ban penekun do Kyrtong ya Monlang. Na kebentak election steng samoy ban jiet Yau MP Shaka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Habakaran ni kelat patai kubor ba Metbah lengdo uli itu bawat keseng UDP ru kampat ciem ya kanu kono kerai ke bepura halor kani kakam. Ula pentip begeseng ke sesong jingelang kita yawan-wan menekeren banyak lo kejeng pen krek banjit Kyrtong. Namar hadu mentak Election Commission kampat penbena ya tarik long election. Uba Metbah lengdo ula kentat ru iki kubor hamsaya badan ki MLA ki bakentu ban omyakun ya kini ki Election MP kenang ban pelet jengmut bed ina mentak Election MLA ke ban long ha kesnam hajar arpupra. Ulong bu klempat dio kanu kejeng tip halor kania bat karai ke bakado kan syong ha kejingelang jong keseng. Halor ke election Shaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council uba Metbah lengdo ula pentip baka UDP keladap ban penbiang ki Kyrtong ba kanekon ha borok ki seat. Ula penpau kejeng keremen ba mentaka kenti ke rukom sengutu ki patba harilom garo kalong ke babha ba ki Kyrtong ba kaseng kelatung ki dai ki badan kejeng keremen ban job.
In fact decided on the candidature also we have already selected. So, but unfortunately the things came up like that and the thing has to be deferred and postponed till the next day. Till now we have not received any information so far as the date of the announcement of the date of the election. This time when we started selection of candidates, the response was not bad. It is good, I should say. So the candidates also this time seems to be very promising candidates. So we will definitely make an attempt to see that our candidates sail through in this upcoming council election.